Every garden is a living tapestry, vibrant, green, and full of promise. But beneath the surface, a silent struggle unfolds each day. Our cherished plants face an onslaught of tiny invaders, each with their own tactics and appetites. Aphids, those tiny pear-shaped insects, cluster on new shoots and suck the sap, leaving plants weak and sticky with honeydew. Some even bring along ants, who farm them for their sweet secretions. Whiteflies, like miniature moths, swarm up in clouds when disturbed, draining leaves until they yellow, curl, and drop. Their eggs cling to the undersides of leaves, multiplying quickly in warm weather. Red spider mites, nearly invisible to the naked eye, spin delicate webs and thrive in hot, dry weather. They pierce plant cells, leaving leaves mottled, pale, and eventually bronze and brittle. These pests don't just mar appearances, they can stunt growth, deform fruit, and ruin entire harvests. Caterpillars chew ragged holes in leaves, while slugs and snails leave silvery trails and devour tender shoots overnight. But not all insects are foes. Some are the unsung heroes of the garden. Ladybirds, lacewings, and hoverflies feast on aphids and mites. Praying mantises and ground beetles hunt larger pests, while parasitic wasps keep caterpillar populations in check. The goal isn't to wage war, but to restore balance, protecting plants while preserving the vital allies that keep pests under control. A healthy garden is a balanced ecosystem where every creature has a role. When you spot curled leaves, sticky residue, fine webbing, or chewed edges, it's a sign your plants need help. Early detection is key to keeping your garden thriving. The solution? Something effective against pests, but gentle on your garden's ecosystem, so you can protect your plants without harming the helpers. And the best part? You probably already have what you need at home. Simple, safe ingredients that work wonders. Let's discover a natural, safe way to defend your garden, restoring harmony and helping your plants flourish. Chemical sprays promise quick fixes, but they harm good insects, pets, and even us. Instead, a natural approach works with nature, not against it. Homemade remedies leave no toxic residue, so you can safely enjoy your harvest. Simple kitchen staples, baking soda, vinegar, soap, can become powerful, safe pest deterrents. This method is cost-effective and connects us to traditional, resourceful gardening. Making your own spray puts you in control of every ingredient. It's not instant, but with patience, you'll foster a healthier, more resilient garden. Let's head to the kitchen and mix up a solution that's tough on pests, gentle on plants. Start with 1 liter of lukewarm water as your base. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. It alters leaf pH, deterring pests and fungal diseases. Next, a teaspoon of white vinegar. Its acidity and scent repel many insects. Use sparingly to avoid harming plants. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, or a few drops of hot pepper sauce. Capsaicin is a strong insect irritant. Finally, half a teaspoon of pure liquid soap, like Castile soap, helps the spray stick and breaks down pests' protective layers. Avoid soaps with harsh chemicals. With these simple ingredients, you're ready to mix your garden's natural defense. Time to combine your ingredients. Pour 1 liter of lukewarm water into a clean spray bottle. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda, stirring until fully dissolved. Mix in 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Expect a little fizz. Add your hot pepper, half a teaspoon powder or a few drops of sauce. Stir well to distribute the spice. Add half a teaspoon of pure liquid soap last, swirling gently to avoid foam. The soap ensures the spray clings to leaves and stems. Your all-natural pest spray is ready for the final step. Before spraying, strain your mixture through a fine sieve or cloth to prevent clogs. Apply early morning or evening, never in hot sun, to avoid leaf burn and protect pollinators. Spray thoroughly, covering tops and undersides of leaves and stems. Aim for even coverage, not drenching. Reapply every 5 to 7 days for active infestations, and every couple of weeks as prevention. Persistence is key. Natural remedies work over time. With routine care, your plants will thrive, and pests will stay at bay. This gentle spray suits most garden plants. Nightshades, tomatoes, peppers, aubergines benefit from regular misting, as do leafy greens and brassicas. It's safe for edible crops. Just rinse before eating. Roses and ornamentals like hibiscus and fuchsias also respond well. staying vibrant and pest-free. Always test on a small area first, especially with hairy or waxy-leaved plants. Wait a day or two for any reaction before treating the whole plant. A simple patch test ensures your remedy helps, not harms. Embracing natural pest control is about observation, patience, and creativity. The ingredients are already in your kitchen, no special purchases needed. Consistency is key. Make spraying part of your weekly routine. Healthy, resilient plants are your best defense. Customize the recipe. Add garlic for stubborn pests, experiment, and learn what works for your garden. Share your experiences with fellow gardeners. Every garden is a story worth telling. By working together, we create gardens that are beautiful, productive, and safe for all. Happy gardening!